Hi, Imran from Car Sound Security in East London. We've just finished doing an installation on a BMW X4 2014. So what we've done is we've changed the iDrive screen. So this is the original one that came with the BMW, and we've changed it to this great looking touch screen. So it's an Android unit, Android screen with full touch. You can see this is all actually all the original BMW menu, functional, working, all on the iDrive controller just there. So what I'll do is, in order to flick it to Android, what you do is you just hold the menu button for a few seconds and you'll see it flick over. There we go. So now we've got the Android unit just there, and you can sort of still use the scroller, goes across, etc. So you've got loads of features. So you've got the navigation, so you can sort of hotspot your phone and get Google Maps and stuff going. You've got Bluetooth for your phone calls as standard, music running off your phone. You've also got HD movies you can preload on there because it's got its own memory on there as well. You've got mirror link, which is easy connection, so you can mirror your phone, and you've got loads more apps. Car information just there as well. Dashboard, this is quite cool. So let me just flick this and you can see the rev counter. You can change that. So if I just rev it, you can see it sort of moving. So just thought I'd share that with you guys. It's quite a popular setting. Then you've got your settings just here. Browse, DVR, which is to connect a front camera just up here for your dash cam, etc. And then file manager. So really good. Let's just flick over to here. And so there's your apps just there as well. You can see you've got Play Store, you can add YouTube, etc. As well. We get a lot of inquiries for Android Auto connection for your phone, Samsung phone or Apple CarPlay. So you can get an extra add-on device which will give you Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So this is what it looks like, and that's the red USB is actually coming from the unit itself. It's wired into the glove box. Just connect it up, and then your iPhone lead just there. And I've actually got my phone here, which it should be connected up. Let's just go through to that. So if we just flick over to this function here, you can see my phone is connected just there. There you go. So all scrolls, everything. And if you look at the apps I've got on there as well, you've got Spotify, which you can use. You've got TuneIn Radio, you've got Waze, WhatsApp, Zoom. Absolutely fantastic features on this new tablet. Very responsive as well. It's almost like the same sort of response as your phone, your iPhone. So if you want to go back to the Android tablet, you just go back there and it flicks back over. You can either touch it or use the scroller to go across. And if you want to go back to the BMW menu, all you do is hold the media button and it flicks over and it goes straight back to there. Doesn't distract anything on the original vehicle. Looks exactly, everything looks the same. Real nice upgrade. We're doing a hell of a lot of these on BMWs, Range Rovers as well, and many other cars. So if it's something that interests you and you want to get that update that little bit on your vehicle, then get in contact with us on the details below. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.